Prepare to be amazed by the 2025 Renault Clio, a tiny city car that sets a new benchmark in its category. Renault has really pushed the envelope with their newest model, which boasts a daring new look, cutting-edge tech, and engine options that manage performance and fuel economy well. However, that is not all. You'll be surprised by how much more is crammed into this car. There are a lot of ways in which this Clio differs from the norm, such as its hybrid powertrain and updated interior. If you stick around until the very end, you'll discover why the 2025 Clio is revolutionary and not just another automobile. Distinct from its predecessors, the 2025 Renault Clio features an energetic and contemporary look. Stunning C-shaped LED headlights adorn the front end, lending the car an air of refined sophistication. Aesthetics and practicality are brought together with a new grille and smooth aerodynamic contours. The alloy wheels, athletic proportions, and wide wheel arches give the Clio a strong, commanding presence. This little car is sure to turn heads wherever it goes thanks to its sleek rear end and modern diffuser and LED taillights. The cabin of the 2025 Clio is upscale and equipped with cutting-edge amenities. The driver and passengers will enjoy a plush ride thanks to the extensive use of high-quality materials. A 10-inch digital display is located on the dashboard, while the infotainment and navigation systems are controlled via a 9.3-inch touchscreen located in the center console. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto guarantee a seamless connection. Any trip, no matter how brief, will be pleasant thanks to the ergonomically sound seats and plenty of legroom in the roomy cabin. The 2025 Renault Clio has a number of engine choices available. The 1.0-liter TC petrol engine is the standard, and it comes in 90 and 120 horsepower versions so you can get great gas mileage in the city and yet have enough of power on the highway. An eco-friendly hybrid option combines a 1.6-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide 145 horsepower. Optimal fuel economy in city driving is provided by this hybrid technology, which also makes driving more environmentally friendly. You have the choice of a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed automatic transmission for all engine selections. The 2025 Renault Clio is going to be a reasonably priced compact car that will make its debut in late 2024 and go on sale in early 2025 in European markets. The projected price range for the base vehicles is €18,000 to €20,000, with the hybrid variants starting at roughly €25,000. The Clio is still one of the best small cars on the market because of its features and price.